Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day. Well, blessed love, guys, blessed love. Welcome back to Kino Life in Jamaica. Welcome. I hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are or anywhere you're watching from. You know, thank you so much for watching Kino Life in Jamaica. You know, it's nothing but love and love alone. You know, the thing goes already, guys. So yes, guys, so finally, you know, it's been a while since you haven't seen any video of myself done by Ibo Spice. You know, and a lot of people call me and say, you know, what happened to Ibo Spice, because they've been there and everything and the place is closed, you know. So you know, for my understanding, you know, is some form of, you know, I'm not too quite sure, you know, but I heard that he wasn't well, you know, for certain reasons. So you know, give thanks, you know, to all, everything is okay now, you know, and apparently he's back open, you know. So that's where I'm heading now to go and check out myself, you know, guys. It's been a while. I haven't had a breadfruit burger, you get me? It's been a while, so I'm gonna check out, you know, and see what's going on, you know. While the place been closed for so long and my phone been ringing off for so long, you know, because you have people flying, you know, from whichever country they're coming from, and the first place they want to head to is Ibo Spice. And when them go there, they're disappointed because Ibo Spice is closed, you know. So thank the Lord he's back open, because I really do miss all those foods, you know, all those burgers, you know, all those juice, the herbalade, you name it, you know. Me, man, I love them things done by Ibo Spice, you know. So to God be the glory, you know. All is well. So I'm heading there now, you know. I'm literally heading there now. So guys, remember, please, whenever you're doing, please to subscribe, you know, please to give the video a thumbs up, you know. Whenever you're watching, please remember to give the video a thumbs up, you know, because the percentage, you know, for subscribers, for who's watching, you know, is gone back sky high, you know, because it shows that 60% of my viewers, them that's watching Kino Life in Jamaica, haven't subscribed, you know. So if you're one of that 63% that's watching and you don't subscribe, please go ahead, you know, hit that subscribe button, you know, and help this community to grow, you know. Please just subscribe, you know, and like if you haven't liked the video. So I understand if you can't bother to like or to subscribe, we still appreciate and we still love you same way. But you know, if you can please do so, you know. So let me stop quickly and get a juice from this juice man. You know, some days see me drinking my cane juice, you know. So this is where I get the juice as well. I'm literally downtown right here. So let me step out the vehicle for a bit, because this man him do natural juice and don't use sugar and use cane juice to literally suit me. So here's the spot. Hi, General. Yeah. Yo, look at the bees. If you can turn down a little bit for me, please. Can I show the copyright? Yeah. Yeah. Yes, guys. So here's where I always get my natural juice. You know, this is the man himself, who's also was a content creator. So he parked the bus and I deal with the truck, you know, which is going to deal with the juice here, natural everything. So here you can get the natural juice. Tell them what kind of juice you can get here.
beetroot, turmeric, cane, ginger, lime. 30 different flavors. Can't name all of them, you know.
30 different
Very
flavor.
delicious.
And tell them there's no water added.
No water, no sugar, all natural, you know.
All natural.
Extract. You know?
Yeah. I'm using cane juice as the sweetener.
This one is a beetroot one, you know. Beetroot, lime, and ginger with cane, natural.
Yeah, and I really like this one. You know, this one's really tastes good.
Definitely.
Trust me. And in the exactly how spot you say with the right Darling Street.
Darling Street, across from the police station.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
guys, so it's right in front of Darling Street. As you can see, right in front of Darling Street. So this is Darling Street right here. You know, and right ahead of you, you're gonna see the canes them. So these are the canes them used to make the juice. And you can get you can get jelly, and you can get everything right here. Sky juice, you name it. Everything is here. So any natural way you want it, you have it. You know, so as I say, I do a stop off quick and fast to get one of them juice. Even though I buy a portion already,
Yeah.
drink out the whole lot already, you know.
Yeah.
Drink out the 3 beetroot. So I say, you know, let me come get another one for now. You know, so guys, so come and get your juice them in a bundle because trust me, them not last long. 3 days? You might have to get it. Alright, so where the I name?
Joshua, you know.
Joshua.
J.A. Godfather, that's how my company name.
Yeah. Joshua. So sooner or later you're gonna see him back and up and running on his YouTube channel.
Definitely, look
You see me?
out. J.A. Godfather.
Yeah, making the natural juice them. Ain't no way to find to get all the natural things them. So pick up yourself, my bro. You know the thing goes already. Alright. Yeah. Alright guys, so see this here. This is the natural beetroot, you know, sweetened with cane juice. Trust me, with the lime, it tastes so good. You know, I'm not even lying, it tastes so good. So it's right in front of Darling Street, you know, you cannot miss it. You know, it's literally right in front. As you come down, or if you're coming from Spanchtown roadside, you know, it's going to be on your right hand side, right here. You know, with the blue tarpaulin. So you can check it out. You see, it said cane juice. I have a sign that said cane juice right there. So come on down, come try it out. So alright, so let's get back from my journey to Ibo Spice after I get this juice. So I'll be back on the journey right now to Ibo Spice. So hold on, let me put on my seatbelt before I get a beating from my subscribers that looking out for me and say, Kino, make sure you put on your seatbelt, you know, Kino, no one see you drive without your seatbelt, you know, Kino. But remember, you have your journey to take on, you know, helping out the poor and the needy, the less fortunate, you know. Be the example for sure and love, you know, in this wonderful universe. But yes, so I appreciate, guys. As I say, I really love my journey. You know, I really found my purpose. You know, it's like I was literally looking, I was searching, but I realized it was all from within. You know, said never from outside, it's all was from within. So everyone have a purpose, but you have to just find your purpose. You know, everyone has a journey. You know, so you're on your journey, you know, and you are the main actor in your journey, you know, and trust me, you move from one destination to the next, and you will definitely accompanied by other people on your journey, see me. So them also have to find out what's their true purpose and what them heart is into, what they want to do. You know, also see that too, because I'm saying you on a journey, just like you see this program, we've been doing it for so long, you know, and we started out with a lot of people, you know, a lot been around because them see the journey. But at the end of the day, you have to know if your heart is really in for that journey, you know, which is, I said, sometimes it's a marathon, because I could literally foresee what's gonna happen in the future, you know, when you come on to a work like this. You know, especially when you're dealing with money and everything, giving out donation and, you know, and people expectation. And we know sometimes it goes already when something though goes mankind way, you know, or them tend to react, you know, or they're gonna endure it. Because I've been seeing all of that, you know, so it's like I know I did set to do this because I know how to endure it, you know. I know you're gonna come with the backlash and all of these little stuff, you know, just how you have to carry yourself on this journey. And you know, I give thanks to the Almighty. I know enlightened me, you know, I lighted my path. I know what I need to do, to literally carry on this, because hey, I'm not going to sit here until you say, anything you want to do in life, even if you love it, it's not going to be easy. So nothing will literally come easy. But once, if you tell yourself that, it's going to seem like it's not going to be easy, which is, we want everything to be easy, in life. But it's just the way how life is. Sometimes we have to accept, we have to accept what is, let's try to just move on with it, without complaining, because the more you complain, you will definitely get more stuff to complain about. That's one thing I know, that's how it works. So it's all my opinion and what I think, everyone have their own opinion and what they think, that's one thing I know. You cannot bash no one for them own a point of view in anything them do. But the only thing I can always say is just listen. That's always the best thing to do is to be that positive person. Always give out positive input. Try not to be the person, try to be the negative. But if you're a negative person, that's just you. You just cannot do much. You have to be yourself, be a negative person. So yes, guys. So that's my two take and one take on this part. So let's get to Ibo Spice, guys. So blessed love. Well, guy, I just arrived here at Ibo Spice, but there is some music playing over there. There's a tent, so this probably messed up the recording because of the music that's gonna play. So probably don't see flash footage, or if I get a chance to record, because of the music is right there. So let's go inside to see what's going on, so we're here. I'm gonna send it to outer space. Guys, let me say the music is kind of affect everything. So I ordered a burger, a breadfruit burger, so I was saying they just take a break, go to the countryside, go, come back with a different meds, because we really need it. I'm out there on the fireside, like literally, like so every day right through. So literally 1 month break away from it, say it wasn't deep in the countryside, so yeah, so that's what we need more time, a break like that. So imagine me with a break like that now, way in the countryside, going back on the rural, with nature and everything, That's what body needs sometimes, away from everything. So who they expect to Ibo to take himself away from what he's doing for literally a while, because this man work every day, trust me, every day. I'm gonna do under the cooking and preparation for everything, every single day go on the eat. So yeah, man, it's a good look. The place, I can see the place look different as well to the place, refresh. Here we have tent as well too. The place is refresh. Yeah, man, the place refresh, man, and everything. So it's a good look. Been a while, guys. It's been a while. Been a while. Been a while. Let me take the first bite. Been a while. Oh. Wow, guys, man, I lie. As you could really see, I was dancing to that. No, not the music, but to the burger. I wasn't dancing to the music, I was dancing to the breadfruit burger. Cause it's been a while that taste bud feel that flavor. Taste that tasty flavor. You know, trust me. It's like the burger get a new party to it. It's a new enhance to that burger. You know, like Ibo went away and come back with some different type of vibe, you know, on that burger. Trust me, guys. So yes, so it's back up and running. You know, Ibo Spice is back up and running. It's too bad I couldn't do a properly video because of the music that's playing across the street. You know, like they keep in some form of event or something. So that never allowed me to do any video, you know, speak to Ibo about everything I go on, you know, because Ibo do all the vibes. But you know, through the, as I said, the music that's playing, see, it's too many noise. But I did enjoy something though. I enjoyed the burger. Don't know about the music, but the burger was a party. I did party with that burger, boy. Yes, so I'm gonna head into Trenchtown now, because I think I need to head to Spanish Town right now. You know, I need to head to Spanish Town to give a donation to Miss Gracie, you know. So let me see what the journey takes today. Oops, confusion driving. This is confusion.
Mama be down there.
You try it. Hello.
Kino. He's Kino.
Is the same? It's still time. Right time.
Getting the ear pull out.
Yeah.
They're gonna do
We're
it.
gonna be going to shopping.
You go shopping.
So why are you going to shopping?
She's taking you shopping.
Yeah.
You go shopping now?
Are you alone? So where's the rest of them?
Them right here.
Oh Lord.
Them right here.
You get that message yesterday. She might smoke you.
Getting her ear flat.
Should I ask you? I'll go buy it.
Yes, guys. So
Go buy it.
good time here now. We here with Spanish Town. You know, the thing goes there. So just arrived.
Oh Lord. Nikisha, take a book this cat. Oh dear. Good evening to the team.
Good evening.
Evening.
How you doing?
Fine.
Oh Lord, have mercy, Jesus.
All is well. What is this?
Our book list. The vice note you asked away with our book list.
Back to school book list.
Start by asking her from her that she get everything on time.
So how much this come up to you to check it out? You find out?
No, me can't move on for what book list for that, you know. Me can't find out for me.
One to our sister.
Oh,
Let me get
hey,
someone-
my cousin?
Yeah, get someone to find out.
God have mercy. I'm going to find out. I'm trying to find out.
Yeah. So just find out how much that come up to. The book list. I thought for when? September.
Yeah,
Going to grade 3.
grade 3.
Into grade 3, Nikisha. That's nice. So that's a lot of book you're gonna need. That's
Lot of
1,
book.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 books.
11.
11 books you gotta carry in your bag one time.
And the bag have to go big.
And that's gonna be heavy.
They're not
No,
carry
you
one
don't
time.
carry one time.
Supposed to have time.
But I remember, you know, you have some kids who carry all them textbooks as well, you know.
Yeah, sometimes you see the bag and it's like you
So-
want surfing in because
Yeah.
you can't even lift the bag and mess them.
Yeah, some of the kids in them bag heavy the amount of books inside of it. Wow.
So what's going on, Brother Kino?
There here man a pass, you know. I have one donation to come drop for you.
Okay, well, thank you.
Yeah.
God is
Got
good.
a donation.
What are we gonna enjoy ourselves back with the bunking dumpling?
Oh.
When I make my motor run out. No, sir. And everybody man would have said, would have glad because soon. Man, is it to God?
Yeah. Yeah man.
Me jealous, me get me jealous. Can't get because swim.
Cheers.
Eh?
Eh? Oh, somebody's here. Yeah, man, run the river nice, man. Little vibe,
Do I
you
me
know.
at you when you now go back up there?
We always go back up. We always go there for day.
Miami River.
Mommy.
Miami River.
That's half Garden Town Road.
I've got to know. Boy, mon mind. Boy, me I tell you. I saw would always like to get some land somewhere near this one. We can get near to the river. Not too near to the river, not too far from the river. I think when river come down, we're far from it.
But you're still there close.
But me still, anyway, me still there close. No, honest with God, me jealous bad.
Yeah.
How we come on in the water, there, when you see, like how me can manage to walk around, so when in the water, you can move around in the water, exercise in the water, and that would I like to get.
But you can't stand up good. You can't do that stuff in your back.
Me can't stand up good, but me can't swim.
My girl, you teach me, and my daddy teach me how to swim.
Nigga just can't stand up good.
I don't know that. She knows me can't stand up good, so she say, me put in the water, me now can't stand up good neither. Painful me up.
That's Miss Grace to her. So I have a donation here. Over there. I hope when I lost it.
No, so no, I think so.
Yeah. Train again. Train coming again. There was a donation from Maureen from New York. You know, send a donation here. You know, this is Maureen from New York. Send $15,000 here for you. From Maureen from New York.
Maureen from New York. I'm so happy to get that $15,000 a year. May the Lord bless your store back even never empty. And I'm going to spend this $15,000 wisely because I'm really in need. I say God is a very good God and He provides. And I depend on God. All is well. You know? Because you can't depend on man, you know, because when man say no. But you see when God say yes, no man can say no. When He say no, no man can say yes. And I'm so appreciative of this $15,000 because I'm really in need. Really in need. My eye them need the glasses with change and I'm going to put it towards my glasses. This can't start it, but at least it can help out a situation, you know. One cook up for the basket and we go and put it down until when we reach the because I can't hardly see. You stand up there so now I can't make out your face, I can't make out your face, you know. Can't make out your face. And I'm so happy. May God bless you and keep you and guide you and protect you. And you know, without you, I could not achieve this. Thank you very much. May God bless you. And bless your team. Bless your family. Bless you going out and you coming in. And all the donors them who not send yet and who already send. God bless you guys. May God continue to protect and guide it. If you get the herbal thing, the lady me call Owen. I just last time I never talk on the WhatsApp. And just she go try see what she can do. Me need the herbal thing, so I don't know me need the glasses too. But if she come, the glasses will go still because I really want the help to up and running. But with the glasses, I tell you, without you can't see, you can't see where you eat, see where you go. You have to see. So I give thanks to Maureen again. Bless your family, bless your business, bless your going out, and you're coming in. May God bless you and restore back more than this. What you said. God bless you.
Alright, so we give thanks, you know, we thank you. Thank you so much, Maureen, you know, from New York, you know, for blessing Miss Gracie, you know, with this donation. Thank you so much, you know. So anything goes nothing but love and love alone, you know. So yeah, man. So we'll just pass the drop of this donation so we can get back over. Because let me say, from Trenchtown to Spanish Town, trust me, it's not close, you know. It's a journey to get here, so we always take up time to come here and then traffic as well, you know. So it's like you're going different side. We out of Kingston, you know.
Out of Port.
We out of Port, we don't come into this side, you know. So we'll give thanks to you, man. So we're gonna take our time going before time gets so dark, you know, because we have to make this mission today because we know that she been here trying her best. So we give thanks to you, Maureen, you know, thank you so much and the family, you know, for blessing Miss Gracie. You know, so Gracie, you know the thing goes
Thank you,
already.
yes. No check up on Charles.
A long time, I'm not pass down there.
I'm not here from him like that now. I'm not here because I can't manage the upside down again. One time I could have go peep on him and come back. I can't go peep on him, rest on my mind for one day. And the son no the son selfish because you know no move good like how me and Charles would move good. I'll check up on each other.
What do you mean selfish?
No, the boy me say him selfish. Me and he know say me and him father are friends. And we look out for each other. I'm there saying, no, come check for me, say, Miss Grace, how you feel? You alright?
Yeah,
I look but he pass here so almost every day. Not a selfish.
No, you know, use the other man. It's different generation from your generation. I use them, you see me? So, you and Charles are
Me and
different
Charles,
thing.
and Charles, but we used to move long before things go on. Me and him, he not pass me. All of a sudden, now he just dump me black like a ripe banana, or ripe potatoes. He just drop me boop. No man, that's how we feel live. We feel live good, we are good neighbor. I look out for you, I look out for you. No man. No man, we feel live good as neighbor. See, like I used to call to me on your part. Miss Grace, you alright? No, all of a sudden, why?
But suppose it not come that direction, yeah.
He pass here all the time.
You see him?
Yes, we see him.
So you see him from so far?
No, not see him from so far. When he Nikisha ever give him away.
From so far. What that means him have anything against
No, don't even check me, man. If you check up on me, man. If you check up on me.
Love goes out, see me, man. You
If you check
understand?
up on me, man. You know, in auntie not pass. Yeah, what auntie was mental disturbing you. And she not pass. And I can't check me and me always have to give her something, no matter how small it may be.
Yeah, but you know, so listen, so that you guys have very, because you have some youths there, they're not going to stick around to try to look after. They're not going to stick around to look after his uncle and look after his father and can't do, yes, and can't do nothing for himself. You know, so you see that you have a good heart, you know?
Yeah, me appreciate it. Hold on, me appreciate it looking after him.
Because he never have to do that. Because
yeah,
end of the day,
that's true.
Him sacrifice for himself. You know, he can't work, he can't do nothing at all more than us there.
That is so true.
Him probably there, I got through for him stress, see him knowing that he can't do nothing for himself at least, you know?
Yeah,
so
man,
you have
but
to understand.
no, let me understand, but what I'm saying is, in me old and in my father old, and in young, me agree. But you know, all the while I can't do it, you know. I Miss Gracie, I'll call me on the phone.
Yeah, but you don't, Gracie.
If I'll call me on the phone, brother.
But Gracie, you don't know what I go through this young man mind. You have to understand that as well too. You see me, sometimes we have to give and take, you know. We can't just judge, we don't know what the young man go through.
Me not judge, brother.
But listen, don't use that to beat him down, you understand? Not because you know that him down there so I take care of something way heavier than him, because as I say, he's a very young youth. And the time when him take up for have do that, and remember, you know, him not have a youth for himself, him can't work, him can't do nothing at all. Alright, him get a youth, but him going to maintain to look after the youth there.
I understand what you're saying, but not to the point where I make.
Stop, use the but Gracie. So from you understand, you understand. Don't use nothing else. Yeah? So if you say you understand, you just leave it right there. So the point where you make just to justify if you say yes, him should do this, just understand, say you don't know what this youth go through. We can't think for him. Because as I say, me that feel sorry for him because we don't say, yo.
Me sorry for him in a condition
because him have a youth. Him have a youth.
Yeah, and he
right?
have two father,
and father
and the uncle.
And the uncle. And him can't work, him can't do nothing. And so I'm going to afford to look after him own a youth. Him probably can't ever see him youth because him probably can't give the baby mother nothing at all. You see me? Because him good under pressure from that side, from the baby mother, where say, yo, you can't give me this, you can't give me that. Remember? So you don't know what I go through this young man. I'm really put my hats off to him because I tell you this. A lot of them youths here,
They're not very responsible at all.
Nah, take up the responsibility. We're in a world like a material world like this right now.
True.
They want to get them brand new shoes and clothes and everything in a social media.
When I see myself, I tell him, so I tell him, you know, I see yourself, you're going to call up for me. Mr. Gracie, man, how you going, sir, man? And he's gone.
Yes, and I'm trying to tell you, it really mean nothing. And that's because I'm say we don't know what this youth are going to do.
But me understand about the 3 point I talk about now.
Me don't want to listen to no, leave it right there, Gracie.
Me leave it right there, but listen to what me talk about now. I father, I want to check up on. Me can't hear nothing from him.
No, but if from nothing, if I mean I hear anything, that means them good. You understand? If I hear anything, that means them good. You see me? Them good. I guarantee me pass down there and go check them good. I'm going to do him and do already Gracie, man. Listen, if anybody see me and them say nothing to me now, I'm not put on the past them, you know. Because I don't know what them I go through. If who used to call my phone not calling me anymore, I don't know what them I go through, so I'm not going to put anything past them. You understand? So I say go in life, sometimes you have to accept change. Yeah? Different generation. Yeah, I remember say Charles and Patrick them in a different generation, a your generation them there. You understand?
That's true. In the fourth generation,
so him probably not nobody will call him and check up on him. He probably want somebody to call him and check up on him too. No, and say, yo, all you do, you come, I know you look out for your father and your uncle, you know, I know you're not working, you know, all you do. You know?
But when they could have moved on,
stress, brother.
When they could have moved on from the phone, check up on them.
You used like them the way, take film time. You see me and
when
look out for your father.
When you look on them, you know,
because don't
check
for
up on
himself.
everybody.
You don't even know where I find food. You know where I find food?
All that too.
And that me I say, you don't know where I find food. You see me? Just like how you have your husband now, and you have your granddaughter who can come and give you a little nicks and knacks. Who am I to come give me anything while I'm there?
Only mother.
You see me? Nobody, brother. So you have to give thanks, see me if you do them. I go pass down there and check up on him, see me, you know?
Yeah.
And so I go on with them. But I say, then you give them hats up. To them, you don't get anything at all. Because they never have to do what they have to do.
That's true.
A lot of kids gone a long time. Say, Daddy, you leave your time already, you know.
I work, now when you're younger, and then pay son no mind again and him son have did with him.
Exactly. I imagine that as a father, never pay him son no mind and look now. The same son have to come around and take care of him. Yeah, so sometimes we have to do, sometimes we have to give and take, you know. So,
but for generation, we look out for each other, you know. We did it for each other, we always check up on each other, but the generation has nothing to do.
Alright, then so Gracie, take it easy, yeah?
Yeah,
so,
man.
You know where things goes already.
Yeah.
I pass through there and get him a bless up.
Alright.
Yeah.
When not been a brandy?
Long time.
Yeah, what's up for our house?
Yeah. Alright guys, so you know where things goes. So I gotta check up on the blind brothers them, you know, to see what I'm going on. They say I and Endo and them before, you know, because I say we have to give thanks to the son, you know, because the youth taking time, you know, to literally look after him father and the uncle. Yeah, that means saying can't work, him can't do nothing at all, and just be here every day. Don't know what they should find food that as well too. You know, so you never know where you go through neither. You know, I'm saying just my point of view, everybody have their own opinion in life sometimes. It doesn't mean say what I'm saying I'm correct, but people have their own opinion. You know, everybody have them right to say what they want to say, but you never know, same way. Alado. Yeah, go and relax.
Yeah, me there, I go and relax, you know.
Then me there, so me give you a pass show.
Yeah, man, me there. I respect for that, huh?
Yeah. Good now. Should me come check Gracie?
Yeah.
You say no, actually a long time I not passed that side, I still say me just come see where you go, you know?
Oh, me there, man. Dream team. Dream team. The person that I always donate to you.
Patrick!
Yeah.
Well, go on.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Long time no see me though. From what day though? That's true, man. Long time I no see you, man. A big side man support you. Look, Manchester United. On my side. Eh? What you say?
Oh, Mateo saying me just give him some food.
Oh, you just give him some food?
Yeah, so like that you say.
Yeah, man. Enjoy the food.
A good boy.
A good boy, yeah.
Good boy.
Yeah.
Johnson. Man.
Guys, you hear Patrick say? He say, Ireland a good boy. Good boy. Same thing we are talking about. Man, I say it himself. He might look out for one, right? Good boy, man. Right now, we say, man, you do a good work because, as I say, enough young youth, they take themselves from
Who the
time.
manager me I do?
Who the manager you are doing that damn boy your business long time, you know? I swear, I'm so sure. A good boy, man, Patrick. Swear to God, dog. You understand, man? The man has said himself. A good boy. Good boy, man. Yo, Charles.
You don't want no shoes now, man. So you just fix the underpants here.
Fix him back there.
You know them have money. I get here.
Alright, you listen me now?
I don't go tell myself now. I don't
Oi.
go to my wife.
Stop
Then no
develop yourself.
no fight your fight against me.
When
I
I-
don't even sit down here with the blood.
Throw shit over.
You know, we just laugh to it. So tired that night. We come out 3 times. One feed that one piece. I don't go every go back. You go. Anyway, it's very good.
Charles, how's everything?
Why I forget to.
You have to give thanks, though.
Hold on. See that boy. Boy, I'm put on. And there's a girl just bro and so far last. And this man, by the time I got nothing. I feel that about that.
So you feel like you better do Islander?
You feel yeah, man. He might eat up now. Yeah. So he more better than what they a couple days ago.
Okay, that's
no
good.
eating.
As I
I
know,
don't can't present.
where you want?
Why you can't afford it?
Eh?
So what I can afford. That means you don't have nothing specific in mind.
Yeah. But I see him Islander gonna do it for you. Now give Islander a change, man. You see me? Check Islander all this.
You know shit.
Alright,
You see
so
me? Are you that, man? Does?
yeah, and give me 2,000 to spend for me, yeah?
Thank you.
Yeah.
I don't know, say Islander try, you know?
Yeah.
Good boy I have, man.
Hey, it's alright. I just love the college.
That pass, me just a pass through, you know, because it's been a while, you know, I'm gonna pass over here. Because Islander, nobody no good no support, though.
Support. Only like food for the poor, but food for the poor is not a regular thing neither.
Okay.
So when them have it, them send some food come for food stuff.
Or them saying food stuff.
Yeah.
Thank you, yeah.
Yeah, man, no problem.
You're right.
Yeah. But wait, you get a youth? You get a youth?
No, I mean I get no youth.
Oh, so Gracie I say you get youth.
Get youth. Maybe woman that call me name but me don't know about me, know what she at all.
Oh, you see, I tell you something I don't have that still. See, at least, you know.
So we now go to the back and then
Yeah, man, you got to come back soon, man, yeah?
and I'm going to get some cook for it.
Yeah, you got to come back soon, man. Don't worry, yeah? I'll just continue the way you have to do, yeah? I said, the Lord will definitely bless you, brother.
Yeah, man.
You see what I say? Yeah, man. I said that for you to buy yourself a drink, man.
Alright.
Yeah, but obviously I know so once you eat, them I eat. So I see him for
Because
this
at the
year.
other day, him ask me if you know explain to him how your runnings go. So
Oh,
when get donation for
then
him,
come by.
yeah, I saw
Yeah.
you come by.
Yeah.
I made I explain to him.
But true, my day close by, I say a long time I not swing by, you know. And true, more time we have some new people always come for the program. So that's what I say. let me swing by if anything, you know. So guys, let me say, these are the Blind Brothers, you know, for our new viewers them. You know, this is the Blind Brothers and this is
I am
Patrick, this is Orlando's son, you know, this is sorry, Alfonso,
son.
which is again Charles.
Charles.
This is
Also known as Charles.
so that's his dad, and the next one there see in a wheelchair, that's his uncle. So he's the one that taking care of the both of them. You know, so he spend the time because he's not working, you know, because if he might work, he's not gonna be able to take care of them. So he try to stay at home.
Somebody that say
Assist
fit in the
them.
space.
Yes. So nobody is here to do that, and in this place, Spanish Town, where there is like it's a capture land, you know, so it's a food for the poor houses them. So you don't have nobody that coming on here, and you know, there's no one that working trying to help or anything. You know, so it's kind of difficult on here as well. So he's doing a good job by just trying to help out his father and his uncle, you know, as they can see them state. So he sacrificed his time to go and work or to go and
Take care of them.
Yeah.
Enough for my time them take up, you know.
Yeah, so we appreciate what I'm see here because I say him can't be not talk for himself, so I'm after here. So, but I know say you will get your blessings here because you're doing the right thing, bro. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, man.
So you don't worry yourself. So Patrick, we catch up here. We catch you again. Alright?
Yes, sir.
You see you again.
Yes, sir.
Next time. Alright then, take care.
Yes,
Eh?
sir.
Yeah man, see me. Yeah?
Yeah, thank you.
Alright then, take care.
Thank you.
Yeah man. Alright. Yeah. One Patrick. Patrick can support Manchester United. Yeah, so say Patrick can support them.
Why you meet them? Another brother there, sir.
No?
Okay. Drop out Sunday gone, you know.
Another brother there right is it too?
Yeah, man, but drop out also. But them, as it, me no make them know as it car.
Oh.
Them are worried too much.
Yeah, you can't even know
No,
them.
me no make them.
Yeah. Alright. Never know say you have an next brother in there.
Yeah, man, him always occupy the next part there, so.
Okay. In the sick as well too?
No, man, him always up on the road. Him not the fitter one.
Okay.
Yeah, the fitter one.
Okay.
We don't come see him already.
Yeah, you're supposed to see him.
No,
the
me
fitter
never see him.
always a move around.
You never see me?
Fitter one.
Yeah, we never see me.
You don't see him.
No, we never had no chance to see me. Alright, then you're Orlando?
Yeah, man, yeah.
Alright guys, so we give thanks and we appreciate, you know, so at least we check up on the brothers them, it's been a while, you know, so give them a pass through. As we can say, Orlando, him always there trying his best. He never go nowhere more than stay inside the house. You know, him don't work, him can't work because he cannot leave them unattended, you know, so we appreciate his time, you understand, so we're going to head back into Trenchtown now. Yeah, because they have a donation to go and give to Shanit as well, to Father for the Year. You know, so that's where we're going to head to right now, guys. So just send out, you know, just send out to Stacey. I know him does me. What I did is, you don't even know, say the music turn off. Jaja. You don't even know, say the music turn off. Imagine that. Everything good. Yeah, they are pass show and donation for you. I wish I it there. Come say you are no vampire, you see me, you know. The music turn off and all. Lord. Yeah. Imagine guys are coming here through the music I play so low because they couldn't hear it. So. And listen, I turn it down and don't people budge, and don't people see me. You know, I'm in a deep meditation. Trust me. Even mine was far, far away. I don't know where it was. It was somewhere in space. Somewhere. Hello. Hello, Shannon.
How are you doing?
Good, good. You?
I'm doing fine.
St. Andrew? Is that your school? Stats? Yeah. You go Stats? Oh, you go to primary part, St. Andrew.
You go a couple of days, summer school.
Oh.
Yeah, it was actually fun.
High five. Oh. Oh, summer school. Oh, she started summer school. Oh, she'll go on well. You know she'll go on well. That's Shannon, man. She's not gonna mash up everything, right?
Yeah.
Ben?
Yeah.
How you doing? High five. High five. High five. High five. Ben. So Shannon, I brought you a donation for you.
Donation.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's really nice. Who gave it?
Who gave it? We're gonna find out. You wanna find out?
Yeah.
Alright, let's find out because I know you got some lyrics. I know you got some lyrics for that person, right? I know you always have lyrics, so let me see. Oh. Let me see if Shannon can find lyrics for this person. So, you know, she's the lyrics teacher, you know. You know, guys, you know, Shannon will come on to lyrics. She's the lyrics teacher. She's lyrically inclined, you know. So let's see what she'll come with now this time. You see, that's just a rhyme. I got lyrics too. You see, I know you alone got lyrics. That was lyrically inclined. Alright then, so I got $15,000 here from Trini from New Jersey.
Trini from New Jersey, that was actually nice. You sound like Trim, but I won't call you nothing like that. From now on, I will call you Trini from the Granny. But I know you're not greedy, but Trini, that was a cool one. But I'm not really up to lyrics right now. But I'm sure I will give you a good one, like. Oh my goodness, I'm actually embarrassed.
She's trying to think of something.
Trini, I hope that when you go to the barber, you'll get a good trim. And you'll name that trim Trini.
Okay. Yeah. Well, it would sound like Trini.
Yeah.
You know, you never know who it is. So we'll give thanks to Trini. You know, so thank you, Trini, even.
Thank you, Chini.
Yeah, God bless you.
May God bless you.
Okay. So Shannon, have been teaching her lyrics too?
I'm not sure if she's gonna be good at that, but I'm sure she can step up.
Of course she will step up, right?
Yeah.
She will step up. So Papi, see you 15,000 from Trini. You're from New Jersey, $15,000. So count it says 15.
Chini from New Jersey.
Yeah.
Blessed and give thanks to Chini from New Jersey. He's a blessed person, you see?
Yeah.
And the 15,000, yeah.
May God it not tell us, may God it a go be a blessed way. And to spend the right way, is it? And tell you that. And may God bless you. Same way up. And the cup never walk full, is it me? And never out of nothing, is it? So, respect, give thanks and love. Is it?
Every time.
Alright.
So we give thanks. So we want to thank you so much, Trini. Thank you so much, for blessing the family, Father for the year, Shanette and Ben, I must say that donation will go far away, far away, because as you can see, the dad man was far, far away, so and this one will take them far, far even away, so I know way more, but at least we brought him back to earth just now. We brought him back to earth, everything goes. And maybe because through the yard, so it's so relaxing, so once you sit down, you zone right out. That's one thing with this yard. Once you sit down, you zone out. You can't do nothing more. Yes, special, a very special yard, Shanette.
Can I tell you something? This is for all the kids to make them get a good warning. So every kid out there, I just want to make sure you have a great warning with this. When you're going to bed, never whistle, because when you're whistling, you will be calling out the demons.
Is it?
Yes, it's true. And when you do that, the demon might tap on your shoulder like this, call out your name about a lot of time. And yeah.
Oh, the music's coming on. Oh, they're spoiling the moment.
Yeah, when they do that, they're actually gonna trying to curse you. But don't worry, Lord Jesus and God are always with us. So that depends if you pray to go to bed.
Well, blessed love, guys, blessed love. Sorry about that. While Shanette was speaking, there's some music that was playing on the outside and the road, kind of gonna give me some copyright. So I apology, because Shanette, she was speaking. Everyone like to hear when Shanette speak, but sorry about that. Is because the music that is playing, so I try my best to cut it out from early. As you can see, Ven was just dancing. So my apology, and thank you guys so much for watching Kina Life in Jamaica. And please, if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, you can go ahead and subscribe. And remember, please to give the video a thumbs up whenever you're watching. That helps the algorithm and helps the program to grow. So thank you guys so much for watching Kina Life in Jamaica. And please, have you subscribed yet? What are you waiting for? So there's a dad speaker. So now he's going to play back his music, like how music is also on the outside. So for me and Boom and Rasta Jackson, we're going to head back out. So thank you guys. I'll see you next time in the next video. Dream Team, one team. Watch out now, you see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.